Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Remember that the tool I just added the link with the best price in the description so you can take a look at it if you like it. Trustbucket, it claims to embed customer reviews from any source directly on your website, and the user interface is pretty cool. It's pretty easy to use, and I think the deal is pretty generous. Let's see. Trustbucket lets you automatically collect customer reviews from multiple sources and embed them on your website. The tool is to automatically collect reviews and then show up on your website with beautiful widgets. Let's take a look at the tool. Everybody will get their pro plan, and the difference here will be the number of websites and number of reviews invitations per month. Those reviews invitations per month, the invitation that you're gonna send through the tool to your customers. Okay, so if you sell more than, for instance, 500 products per month, so you'll be better with tier 2. But for most businesses, the tier 1 will be good enough. If you need more websites, you need to take a look at this as well. If you buy a better tier, you get more websites. If you buy the tier 4, you get unlimited website with 2 of total review invitations per month. This is the deal. Now let's take a look at the tool. So here is the dashboard, and you're gonna start to collect your reviews connecting the platforms. The idea here is that you're gonna collect your reviews from the platforms your business are, and will show up through Trustbucket. So you can connect by now Google, Fresha, Booking, Bookdirect, Hita, and Trustpilot. You connect it with one click. It's a native integration. Just click on connect, log in on one of those accounts or all of them, and Trustbucket will automatically collect those reviews and show up on the widget. Upcoming, they are gonna add the Facebook, TripAdvisor, and Air. You can also collect reviews inside Trustbucket. How it works: you can create a campaign to collect the review. Just click here, and then you're gonna add the name and the last name of the person and their email. And you keep going, adding new name and surname and also the email. Okay, you're gonna select an email template and will, for instance here, and will send the invitations, and it's done. They will be able to review you directly through the Trustbucket platform. And it's one of the best features they have that I think will worth a code for many of you, is the automatic invitations collection. How it works: your customers will buy a product on your website. It will receive, of course, a transactional email saying about the order. This will trigger a separate email to Trustbucket, and Trustbucket will send in 7 days by default, but you can change that option, another email asking them to leave a review for you. Pretty simple. So just click here. We will copy that email address that will be different on your account on your email automation tool. And you're gonna add a CC to Trustbucket. So every time someone buys something on your store, they will receive an email, and then Trustbucket will receive that BCC. And with that BCC, Trustbucket will automatically send an email to them asking them to review you on Trustbucket. You can fully customize your email with your brand, your logo, your sender name, your sender email, and also the button color. You can also fully customize your templates. By default, it's like that. Hi, first name, how was your experience with us at da da da. So you can just change the language if you need. It's multi-language. You can change the language to your language, and the person will receive the email and will be able to click here to submit the review, and your customer will review you on Trustbucket. And here you can fully customize the widgets. They have many different kind of widgets. The mini, the horizontal widget, like that, the micro review, mini review, and the slider. You can click here to select. Then you can show the logo or not, show platform store or not. You can select the kind of reviews that you're going to show. If you don't want to show pull reviews, you can select that as well. Okay. So it's pretty easy to fully customize your account. You can change all your business details. Okay, so the widget will show your logo, and you can also invite team members. The tool also will notify you every time you get a new review. So that's Trustbucket. I think that this tool is pretty cool. If you have an e-commerce, if you need to show up your reviews, it will make the process automatic. I like it. I hope you also like that review. If you like the review, please click on the link in the description to help me to keep going, to take a look at the tool and try it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.